Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Acura MDX. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 87,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motor Cars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.